Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Dalajah. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how I attempted to tint my eyebrows. So I've seen a couple people on YouTube do the mustache and beard by Just for Men, and not a lot of people are saying this is actually bad for your skin. YOLO. Well, I'm attempting it for myself, not really showing you guys, you know, the proper way to tint your brows. So I just got the one in the dark brown color because it looks more natural. I feel like black would have just been too strong. And yeah, so it comes with base, a developer, a mixing tray, and a brush. So I prep my brows by outlining it with some coconut oils. Then I use like my eyeliner brush, the one that I don't use at all, to fill in my hairs with a dye. Usually what I'm seeing it do, it really just dyed my hairs and then gave some tint in the back just because it's on my skin. But it's gonna fade. It's gonna be like any other type of hair dye. I mean, you get hair dye on your hands, you get it on your scalp all the time, so it's pretty normal. I know myself, I know I don't have sensitive skin, so I know this really wasn't gonna be that crazy for me, but I like the turnout of it. This is my struggle brow, so at least I got this little space filled in here because I really have sparse brows. This one came out pretty good. Look at the shape. Look at that shape. So if you guys want to see how I achieved getting this tinted look of my eyebrows, then keep watching. Alright you guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think, even though I know some of y'all might think I'm crazy, but YOLO. Yeah, so if you want to see any more videos from me, if you want to request any videos, leave some requests down below. My social media will also be below if you want to give your girl a follow. And yeah, so I hope to get you guys in my next video. Bye.